Hey guys, this is my HP Pavilion 17 ab303 notebook, so 300 series, and the problem is I want to put in this my SSD drive. It's M.2 slot drive. So what's the problem? I didn't find it on internet how to open this one and put this in, so here's for you how I will do it. I must admit that I already did it once, but it wasn't too hard, neither it was very easy, but it's possible and doesn't take too much tools. All I need is this small screwdriver. Well, I'm using this CRV 2.5 small one. Anyway, you need quite short one, not too big one and not too small one, and of course some sort of card to pop this open. And all you need to do is just pop it open and unscrew it. That's about it. Not too much skill. So what you need to do, just first flip it over. And remove the battery. After you remove the battery, here are a lot of screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are one size. This is one size. This is one size. These two one size. These three one size. And these two one size. So you have to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places where to put screws, because they're different. As well, mark them so you remember what is what, or just watch my video more times to see which one I put where. So 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, 2. So not too hard. Anyway, let's do it. Rather thin and long, maybe same as this. So, but anyway, as I said, I'm numbering them in this way. Next thing, just pop this one out. You'll just slide this without any problems. It's connected in here, so no problems at all. Put it aside. Take your screw somewhere safe so you don't actually, when you're trying to pop this open, drop them and lose them. Since it's new and you don't want to do this, put your battery as well aside. You need some space. No, all you need is this card. Well, there are 2 points where you need to open it. Well, let's start with this side. It will be easy to see. So, all you need to go with this card and line through there and there and there. I think the above it will be easier if you start to pop it open from behind, but I will show you. Last time I started with this side because it's easier to pop this under there. Maybe it's better to start there. See, it's like pop that. Yeah, maybe this is the best side to start. Okay, a little bit more down. Takes a little bit courage to do this because it feels like you're breaking this. Well, actually, if you're doing with the plastic card, most probably you're not breaking it, but always be cautious. Feel that you're breaking it, don't do it. Then you can go the other side, elbow. This might be a little bit harder side, so if you're not sure if you did it or not, don't worry. A little bit bend and look if it's how well it's open. Seems like it's open there too. This one, oh, that wasn't good. Don't do it like that. But well, since I did it, nothing to do. Anyway, if you cannot get your card behind this side, over other side, you can actually press it down here, and let's pull it upwards and put it here, and it will just be fine. You see, under there. And when you get some of these open, you can turn this around again It will be a lot easier to start there because you see there's already spacing here. You don't need to worry too much. Just slide your card in and better start opening this side, because here is a small like pin, I think at least. So last time I had to do it different, this one to open it. So if you cannot get this last one open, maybe just try to rotate again, other side. Try to go from here, slide it under there, see, just open like that, and maybe here, and it's done. You see this side is open. Okay, this side is also, seems like it will be open. But here's the hinge, so if you feel like this is holding in place, just, no, maybe not with screwdriver, but something plastic. Try to manage this side, pull it inwards or out. You will see there's a small little plastic thing, and then just slide this out. So that's how you disassemble it. Not too hard, as I said, and you don't break anything. That's good as well. Next thing is your SSD. So I bought M.2 slot, and first thing I thought, oh man, I bought the wrong one, because I will just show you. This is the laptop inside. Here is a hard drive. Here is a RAM. Here is one more space. You can put there in the right one. Here you can clean this one. Went time to time. Actually, some nice outlets, but anyway, it's mostly plastic, so it will heat up, I think, very quickly. As I heard on internet, these laptops tend to heat up quickly. And here is the M.2 slot. You can see the SS drive, my M.2 SS drive, and here is actually, this is where you have to put it in. And if you can see it, I'm not sure, but there is a space for 2 pin connector, these groups, but my SS drive has 3. The good side is that it doesn't matter, because even with different looks, it actually goes in good. Let's hope it works as well. So slide this one in. When it's in the place, you feel it. Don't push it too hard. It's not in place, and it's in. Should be like that. You have to find some screw for here too. Maybe you have some spare from sometimes. So guys, I finally found one screw for this SS drive, so it stays in place. I suggest you to find one and put it in, because it easily moves around. I took one from my old hard drive, one of those. Hope, since it's not very worth to me, I took one screw from middle. Hope runs so well. Anyway, we'll see. Anyway, that's about it. So now I will just put the cover back and see if the power comes down, and the video shows that I have this SS drive inside, and well, this other cheap one. Not sure how it will, if it is good or bad, but it's a good feeling that I have put everything together and get this screw, because I could not find this one, and it's a struggle actually to find this one. So no, small one, more like those which you, maybe you can even take one of these if you cannot find a screw, if they fit in or something like that. That's pity that they have this one with the drive or inside. Anyway, let's move on. Now just putting everything back together. If you think it's hard, well, it's not too hard. Actually, a lot easier than disassembling it. So just put this cover back. I would suggest you start with this side. Try to lock this little piece in place. But if not working from this side, just got a little bit open everything up, so you can put your fingers under it and navigate this one through. When it's like in place, just put everything back together. I always start with this side, I don't know why. And then this is easy. I suggest you to go not randomly but in one pattern, and then go again and look for a place you missed. There will be some, and then just open the laptop and try to locate. There are some bumps, and then push this together like this one. Don't see any bumps? Then it's good. And it's very good that you have done a good job. You haven't screwed everything here up. You can actually clean this one because the card may leave some dirt around. See, there was some still clicking, so it's good that I didn't start to fix it. Always make sure it's perfectly lining. And when it is, yeah, inspect with your eyes as well. Everything, if it's here, okay too. This might not pop so easy, but when it's everything okay, so you can inspect it from sides, going from these lines, because then it's easy to see. Like this one is not like this one, you're not seeing, but anyway, still not popped here. So just guys, inspect from all sides this laptop before you screw it down, otherwise you might have some problems screwing it up. When it seems everything okay, take good old CD room, DVD room, whatever else, slide it in, and then as before, all you need to do is just put the screws back. So I hope you remember how did you put them and which is which screw. Well, I actually remember. You can always don't over tie these. These are the thick ones, long and thick ones. If something doesn't fit, just check it again if it's everything okay or not. Too long and not that thick. This might not go easy in. That's what you need to just maybe push a little bit from behind, plus check if the drive is in right place. So it has to be in right place, and then at one point it should go in like for me did it. You can just check it. You can slide out. It's in good place. So this is good. Let's move on. Not to mess my screws. So next, okay, I'll start with these three short ones. Easy stuff to do. Oops, I just messed everything together. That happens. Don't over tighten too much the screws. They are, remember, not as. This is all plastic, so you can actually easily break everything, especially if you don't do it every day and not experience for doing these things. My suggestion is that don't over tie these. So next I will go for these four. Next, rest 4. So these two and these two are same. Easy to do. Check if you haven't missed any screws, anything. Everything is fine in place and nice. And just you can put back your old battery. So guys, next thing I will check if the SS drive is there and everything is running okay. So just turn it on. And next, after that, escape. So I can go to booting settings. So maybe focus, right, okay. Then go press F10. And then go to configurations, boot options, always boot manager, nothing there, always boot manager, notebook hard drives. Oh yeah, that's the right. And here it is. Everything fine, works fine. So there is my SSD drive, and there is my regular drive. It's just by the model name, but I know it's SSD drive because of WDS 240 gigs. So here are two drivers. Seems everything is okay, and thanks for watching, and I hope I could help you open this laptop, and if you needed to clean it, install something or change something. And so, because I didn't find too many videos of this ab300 series HP laptop openings. And thanks for watching. Bye.